Good morning, students. Myself, Mrs. Shivani, and going to teach you maths. Okay, so we will start with first chapter, that is integer. And of this chapter, children, only 1.3 exercises is in syllabus. So let's start with that. Children, before starting the chapter, first of all, you should be familiar with the operation of the signs, like as minus minus plus, plus minus minus, minus plus minus, plus plus is plus. You have to keep in mind. For the cases of the multiplication and division, no consideration of the sign of greater number with answer. Usually in case of addition and subtraction, what we do? With answer, we write the sign of greater number. But in this case, we will not consider the sign of greater number, meaning if both the numbers are negative, they are multiplying, answer will be positive. Clear? So let's practice these in the question. Question number 1, you can see the cases of multiplication. See beta, what is 4 sevens are? It is 28. And the sign will be plus minus, it will be minus. Clear? Now anything multiplied by 0 is 0, and you know that 0 doesn't have any sign, so it will be 0 only. Now let's multiply 25 with 15. 15 5s are 75. Clear? 7 left. 15 2s are 30. 30 plus 7 is 37. Now what will be answer of this? Minus multiply minus will be plus. Okay. Now this question you have to multiply all. That you will do yourself. Clear? We will just discuss what will be the sign of the answer. See beta, plus minus is minus, and then minus multiply by minus is plus. So the final answer will be plus, and multiplication you will do yourself. Same way in the fifth part. Clear? Minus multiply by plus is minus, then minus multiply by plus is minus, meaning the final answer will be minus. So let's do this. 12 5s are, what is 12 5s are? 60, and the sign of these two will be negative because minus plus is minus, multiply by plus 20. Now multiply 60 with 20, it is 1200, and the sign of answer will be minus plus minus. See children, now the cases of division, 28 divided by 7 is 4, and the sign of answer minus divided by plus is minus. No sign means understood this is positive number. Minus divided by minus, it is what? Positive. Or you can do it in this way also. Division can be written in this way. Clear? Both can be cancelled with the table of 7. With 2 you can cut. Clear? 2 sevens are. It is 63. Then again 7 and 63 can be cancelled with 9. Final answer is 9. Minus divided by minus is plus. Same way, directly we'll do this question. 56 divided by 7 is 8. Minus divided by minus, answer is positive. Now in this case children, we have to follow BODMAS. So according to BODMAS, first we have to open the bracket. So 48 divided by 12, 3. 4s are, sorry, not 3. Okay children, 48 divided by 12 is what? 4. And the sign minus divided by plus is minus. Then after divide by 4. Now beta, no sign here. It is understood this is positive. So minus divided by plus is answer negative only, and 4 divided by 4 is 1. That is your answer. Now last part of this question is 205. Same way. Clear? What we will do here? First we will open this bracket. See, minus 40 plus minus minus 1. Okay. 205 divide by minus minus plus 40 plus 1 is 41. This was the case of addition subtraction. So with answer, we need to write the sign of greater number minus 41. Now children, you are left with 205 divided by minus 41. And you can see that both can be cancelled with the table of 5. Your answer is 5. And what will be sign? Plus divided by minus, answer is minus. Children, these are the fill-ups. You all are familiar with this, how to do. Clear? So you have to find out which numbers are missing. I think you are enough capable to do this. First 4 you can do. Now, with which number you divide 6? Okay. Which number should be divided with 6 so as to get 3? So that is 18. Main thing is sign. What should be the sign? See children, your answer is negative. So one of the numbers should be negative. We can't change sign of 6, but 18 can be taken as minus 18. Now you can see minus 18 divided by 6 is 3. and sign will be negative. Now here you can see, children, now we need same answer 67, but here it is negative, here it is positive. So in order to make it positive, we will divide it with the negative 1, it will become 67. Now here, children, we need negative 1. So 1 we can obtain if we divide the number with same number. Clear? So 500 divided by 3 is 503, minus divided by plus is minus. 18 divided by which number? So that we'll get 3. Beta, we know that if we divide 18 with 6, we'll get 3. But our demand is negative sign also. So this is positive. We can't change sign of this number. But 6 can be taken as negative number. So answer will be minus 3. Now take out page number 14. And these are few properties of multiplication of integer. First is Clojure property. A into B is equal to B into A. Sorry, A into B, that is also integer. If both the numbers are integer, then answer obtained will also be integer. Clear? 4 is integer, 12 is integer, answer is also integer. The next is commutative property, that is A into B is equal to B into A. See beta, 6 into 7 is also 42, 7 into 6 is also 42. This is commutative property. Next is associative property. You can take 3 numbers A, B, C. Here also A, B, C. So you can see here 3 numbers are taken. So in the first case, these 2 were enclosed in the bracket, and in the second case, first 2 numbers were in the bracket. Doesn't matter, 5 7s are 35, 35 6 is 210, 5 6 are 30, 30 multiplied by 7 is 210. So in both the cases, answer is same. Multiplicative property of 0, all of you know, anything multiplied by 0 is 1. Multiplicative identity, anything multiplied by 1 is always 1. This is distributive property, A into B plus C, meaning this A will multiply with B also, this A will multiply with C also. See, they have written A multiply B, then after plus sign, A multiply by C. This is distributive property. Then existence of the multiplicative inverse. If A is multiplicative inverse of non-zero integral A is 1 over A should not be 0. Okay, so what is inverse of any number? That is 1. Suppose 2 is there. What is inverse of that? 1 by 2. Clear? So these all were the properties. Next is verify and name the property used. See beta, this is given to you. I named 110 as A and minus 235 as B. Now look here, what was the name of minus 235? It was B. What was the name of 110? It was A. Now you tell me which property it is. A into B is equal to B multiplied by A. Just now only we have done, that is commutative property. Verification I have not done, that you can do. You multiply these 2 numbers, you multiply this also, answer will be same only. Now second part 45, let's name it as A, 2 as B and minus 198 as C. Now look here, what was the name of minus 45? As A, into 2 was named as B and minus 198 was named as C. Now this becomes A multiply B multiply by C is equal to A into B into C. So what this property was? It was associative property, which we have discussed now only. Clear? Next third part 135, let the name of 135 is A and minus 4 as B and minus 16 as C. And then same names you can replace 135 minus 4 and 16 with the same names which we named over here. Now you will get this kind of property, and this property is called distributive property. Now in the next case, let's name 156 as A, 278 as B, plus 156 name was A and 46 was C. And here what was the name of 156? It was named A, 278 it was named B, and minus 46 was named as C. Now if you replace with ABC, you will get this kind of property, and this is which property? This is distributive property. Find the product of the following using distributive property. You have to use distributive property here. Look here beta, this is the question given. Now you can see in this question 138 can be taken common. That I have taken common. Inside what you are left with? 199 plus 1, because 138 is taken common. Now it will become 138, 199 plus 1 is 200. You can multiply, your answer is this. See, within no time we have solved the question. Now this question, this 0 will multiply with this also. This 0 will multiply with 215. That means the whole answer will become 0. Don't worry, if you write direct answer also, marks will be given in the exam. Next is 15 into minus 5, 8 into minus 5. You can see here from both the terms minus 5 can be taken common. Then here what you are left with? So minus 5 can be taken. If you take minus 5 common, here you are left with 15. This is taken out. Plus minus 5 is taken out. Here you are left with 8. Now what is 15 plus 8? It is 23. Now bracket means multiply. Minus 5 into 23 is 115. Sign will be negative because minus multiply plus it is negative only. Now come to the next question. You can see here 25 is common from both the terms. Here you are left with minus 3. This is taken out. This minus sign, and what is left? Minus 7. Open the bracket now. 25 minus 3 is here. Minus plus 7. That's equal to 25. See, minus plus is minus. 7 minus 3 is 4. And sign of greater number, that is positive. Why? Because this is the case of addition subtraction. Clear? Now both the numbers are positive. 25 4s are 100 is the answer. Sixth question, use commutative and associative property for easy calculation. This is the given question. Commutative property, you know, A into B is equal to B into A. So choose the combination which can make the calculation easy. See, I chose 15 and 4. Okay, this is commutative property A into B. Multiply 7 is taken out. So in this step, associative property is also there. A into B into C. 15 4s are 60. Multiply by 17. See how easily we have done this answer. Next, same way in this question, choose the combination 18 into 25 I chose into 7. Now you can multiply 18 into 25 and multiply with 7. Whatever the answer will be there. Clear? That is your answer. Okay, seventh question. Product of two integers is minus 256. I took it as first integer multiply second integer. Product means multiply. It is given minus 256. And the question is, if one integer is 256, one is 256, then find the second integer is equal to minus 256. Now children, you have to find second integer. Let it be here. When you transpose 256 on the other side, you know, they are multiplying here. When you will transpose it, it will divide. So minus 256 divided by 256 is 1 and sign minus divide by plus minus answer. Clear? Eighth question. The product of two integers is minus 875. Same thing I wrote. First integer multiply second integer is equal to minus 875. If one integer is 25, replace first integer with 25. Find the second integer. Clear? Rest of the statement as it is. Now we have to find second integer. That is equal to minus 875. Take 25 over here. You can see both these numbers can be cancelled with the table of 5. 5 5s are 25. When you cut it with 5, you will get 175. Then 175 divided by 5, you will get 35. Now sign of the answer. Minus divide by plus, answer will be negative. Question number 9. In a class test containing 10 questions, total 10 questions were there. Plus 5 marks were awarded for correct answer. If the answer is correct, 5 marks are given. If answer is incorrect, minus 3 marks. Negative marking is there, minus 3 are given. And if the question is unattempted, for that 0 will be given. Clear? Now, according to statement, what is the question? A child has done 6 correct answers. So for 6 correct answer, how many marks he will get? 6 multiplied by 5. Because for one correct question, 5 marks are given. So 6 into 5. Plus, he gave 4 incorrect answer. Clear? So what are the marks obtained for incorrect answer? 4 into minus 3. Clear? Then after, he attempt all the question. There was no any question who he did not attempt. All questions were attempt. Now 5 6 are beta 30. Sign will be plus into plus plus. 4 3s are 12. Sign of this will be plus minus minus. Now open the bracket. 30 was positive. Plus minus minus 12. So 30 minus 12 is equal to 18. Because plus minus is minus and sign of greater number. What was the sign of 30? It was positive. Once again, 6 correct answers. So the marks obtained for correct answer 30. 4 incorrect answer. So the marks obtained for incorrect answer are minus 12. Clear? 30 minus 12, that is equal to 18. 10th question. A certain freezing process requires the room temperature to be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius. At present, what is that room temperature? 40 degrees Celsius. And what is the condition or the requirement? That after every 5 hours, to be lowered at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. After each hour, the temperature should reduce by 5 degrees Celsius. Okay. After each hour, temperature should reduce by 5 degree Celsius. And the question is, what will be the temperature after 10 hours? See, temperature lowered after every hour 5 degrees Celsius. Then what will be the temperature lowered after 10 hours? That is 5 into 10, 50 degrees Celsius. That means this much temperature should be lowered. Now the initial temperature is 40, clear? And this temperature we need to be lowered. So 40 minus, lower means you have to subtract, clear? Now plus minus minus, 50 minus 40 is 10 and sign of greater number. So final temperature after 10 hours will be minus 10 degree Celsius. With this, children, your chapter first is completed, clear? 1.3 exercise was in syllabus. So do all the questions, practice well, clear? And prepare this chapter for the UT. Thank you.